Hi everyone, this is Michaela from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and today we're going to be going over Maytronics Nautilus CC Dolphin replacement parts. In today's agenda, we're going to be going over the top 5 replacement parts for Maytronics Nautilus CC, signs you need a replacement, and where you can purchase it. Now starting off, we're going to start with its front wheel. So the front wheels on the Maytronic pool cleaner is used to help move your robot smoothly throughout the surface of the pool during its cleaning process. Signs that you may need a replacement is that wheels are beginning to look worn or used, the robot is stopping throughout operation, not completing its cleaning cycle, and that dirt and debris are not being picked up from the surface of the pool. Next, we have the small wheel. So these wheels are also used to help move your dolphin throughout the surface of the pool. Signs you may need a replacement is that these wheels are looking a little bit worn and used. Your dolphin stops moving during cleaning operation. The robot is slipping and not performing properly, and that dirt and debris on the surface of the pool are also not being picked up. Next, we have Maytronics wheel bushing. So these bushings are used to help move your robotic pool cleaner smoothly throughout the pool during its cleaning operation. Signs you may need a replacement is that these wheel bushings are beginning to look a little bit worn, the robot tracks are slipping during operation, and that your dolphin is working at less power and not performing as it should. Next, we have the robot tracks. So these robot tracks allow your dolphin to roam smoothly throughout the pool during its cleaning process. Signs you may need a replacement is that the robot tracks are looking loose and worn, the dolphin is not climbing with the walls of the pool properly, and that your dolphin stops moving during its cleaning operation. And lastly, we're going to be going over the ultra-fine filters. So these are accordion-style filters that are best used to clean smaller dirt particles, such as sand, silt, and algae. Signs you may need a replacement is that dirt and debris are not being picked up, your filter indicator light is on, the dolphin won't run a full cycle, dirt and debris are escaping from the bottom of the pool when you lift up your dolphin, and that your dolphin won't climb walls and keeps getting stuck in the pool. Now, lucky for you, we have all these parts ready to order right on our website. Just visit us at easytestpools.com. Thank you for watching.